now it's time to try combining items. The variation I'm going to try is creating the holes or possibly the peaks. I don't know if it's going to make a difference one way or the other. We're going to try holes first, and then from there I'm going to try blob detection on those holes and see if we might be able to get something interesting. I'm going to create a new notebook for this, initializing the workspace, creating the initial mask. 2 and 3 are the ones that I'm looking at right now. I need to figure out how to save these to another file for the next section. We're going to try using the pyplot.savefig function for this. I'm going to split this out so I don't have 4 individual plots that are being saved. I'm not certain that I have the syntax correct, but we're going to try it this way. Yeah, pretty good. I don't want the title on this. Axis is off. See how this shows. Yeah, that's actually pretty decent. Okay, let's clean this up and then save it. I now have it cleaned up. Time to see if this is going to work correctly. Okay, well, let's try that again first. So save fig rather than imsave. Looks like it saved out. I'm not sure how we're going to clean up the edges. That's going to be another thing we'll have to figure out. However, this should be enough to work with for the sake of identifying these holes. I have holes. Now it's going to be time. See, I don't want shape index in here. Blob detection is what I'm going to be using. Image, I do need to save in my image first. That's now saved in. We're going to update image gray to, instead of being image, it's now going to be holes. The rest of this should be fine for our first run, and let's see what we get. Parameter image must be a 2-dimensional array. Let's see what holes looks like. This is an array. That's a 4-dimensional array? What? I'm going to try adding CMap gray, see if that works. It doesn't like it. I need pill. Let's try image save and see if that makes a difference. It didn't like it the way I did it anyway. If I remove CMap, all right, that's still not working. Something else that I'm missing in here. Pillow. Okay, I believe I imported pillow. Yep, at least image is imported. These are opening and converting. Well, honestly, that might still be worthwhile though. All right, let's try this way. Just to make sure that runs again. All right, I already have holes. Let's try piping it through pill maybe. From pill import image, yes. That runs. Holes, still a 4-dimensional array. Holes 2. Let's run it again. I'm not sure this is quite imported the way that I wanted it to. Interesting. We're actually identifying items now. Still not great, but it's identifying items. This is definitely a crater. Yes, I think these are. Sort of identified more areas here, but not really, and not a whole lot of change. It has some items, but not a lot of items. The route may be promising with more tweaking. As of right now, it looks like trying to create holes and then doing blob detection on it is insufficient.